I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all of you, and on behalf of our dear principal, Ms. Shirley Vaz, teachers and our dear students, I extend a very warm and heartiest welcome to our chief guest, AVP HR Admin, Birla Silalisik, and school manager, Mr. Manish Kishore, and all other distinguished guests to witness such a great and auspicious National Day.
Though one of the oldest civilizations, 15th August holds an everlasting place in our national memory and commands the respect of every Indian. On this auspicious day, I pay my tribute to all those soldiers and millions of unsung heroes who sacrifice their todays to make our tomorrows safe, independent and happy. It is because of their sleepless nights that we sleep in peace and breathe in independent and sovereign India. The ethos of our freedom struggle forms the foundation of modern India. Our nation has gone through many testing times, including wars, and we have emerged unscathed and victorious. Today, we are collectively facing COVID-19 pandemic threat that has created global health crisis, leaving deep impact on our lives. However, as always, during these difficult times, we joined our hands, remained united, resolute and responsible, with a strong belief that the end of the dark tunnel is round the corner. Together, we are trying to emerge from this crisis. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to our true Corona warriors who have been at the forefront, fighting this pandemic and coming forward to extend their helping hand. Their selfless contribution and tireless efforts have helped in averting a serious threat that is yet far from over. I must acknowledge that amid this crisis, our principals and teachers have been doubly dedicated in performing their duties and assured that the academic and other scholastic activities don't come to a halt. I commend their efforts and resilience for switching to online teaching immediately after the onset of pandemic. Outstanding board results of the Aditya Birla Group schools bear testimony to this fact. I feel overwhelmed to share this year Aditya Birla Group schools showcased one of the best performances ever witnessed in public examinations of class 10th and 12th. Indians over the ages have proved that they have the spirit to achieve what is believed to be impossible. The recently concluded Tokyo Olympic Games have once again proved this. India won 7 medals and recorded its best ever tally in this sporting mega event. All the Indians had tears of joy in their eyes watching Indians on the podium and goosebumps listening to the Indian national anthem being played at the Olympic Stadium. Whether it is Mirabai Chanu from foothills of Imphal, who opened the account with the silver medal, or Neeraj Chopra, brave soldier of Indian Army, whose gold medal in men's javelin not only brought joy to billion hearts, but also created a history. All these sports persons are the living examples of passion and the highest degree of commitment. Their success stories inspire millions across the nation. The bare minimum facilities and almost marginalized background they had did not dampen their spirit. Their passion and dedication brought laurels to the nation. We salute all the athletes and players who represented our country every time they stepped into the oval.
जग में सबसे नाम भी न्यारा है, जहाँ जाति भाषा से बढ़कर देश प्रेम की धारा है। निश्चल पावन प्रेम पुराना, वो भारत देश हमारा। कुछ नशा तिरंगे की आन का है, तो कुछ नशा मातृभूमि की शान का। हम लहराएंगे हर जगह ये तिरंगा, कुछ नशा हिंदुस्तान की शान का है। A very happy Independence Day. I extend my heartiest warm welcome to our chief guest, Mr. Manish Kishore sir, the school manager, principal ma'am, teachers, scouts and guides, and all of us present here. We are celebrating the 75th anniversary of India's independence today. The tricolor is in the air with full glory and pride. We got freedom from British rule on this very day after 90 years of struggle. We who have born after independence are so thankful that we are fortunate to be born in an independent country. I am so thankful to all those freedom fighters like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev and many more who struggled for decades. It is because of their zeal and dedication, the passion for nationalism didn't subside. The fight still goes on along the border where many are fighting, putting their lives on line for the lives of us civilians. It should be our innate responsibility to repay respect by following their footsteps. To each individual, we must be kind and compassionate. Respect for our elders and teachers. We must be honest and do what is right for our country. We must always stand up for what is right without harming anyone. This principle is always appreciated throughout the globe because through non-violence we can achieve great things. And our Father of Nation has exemplified this. My pride is that I was born in such a nation where all religions, castes and linguistic groups reside together in peace and harmony. A nation with one of the oldest civilizations and a long and rich history. This places a tremendous responsibility on our own shoulders because as we are an independent nation, we have a sovereign power to determine our own future. The significance of its beautiful story is that India has gained respect from the world for the democratic route chosen by it. India has emerged towards becoming a global power. Despite that, in this competitive world, we need to progress further and need to find ways for it. Whether we are talking about education, information technology, science or national cleanliness, we will have to thrive to become and be counted amongst the best. Despite going through many challenging times, including wars, we have survived and come out victorious. The COVID-19 pandemic threat has created a global health crisis that has deeply
जिंदगी अधिनायक